Numaira ma'am to deliver a fabulous speech. Please come on the stage and clap for her.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Numaira and my father's name is Anishik. I live in Gosi. I read in class 6. First of all, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, firstly, I want to wish a very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Happy Independence Day.
Today, I present here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. दुश्मन के लिए चट्टान हूँ मैं, दुश्मन के लिए चट्टान हूँ मैं, इस देश का वीर जवान हूँ मैं. It is the national festival of India. We pay the tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. No amount of money can give stop please.
No problem.
No amount of money can give that freedom does long live our nation. Independence Day motivates us to love our country. जिक्र अगर हीरो का होगा तो नाम हिंदुस्तान के वीरों का होगा.